Alright, so here is the forecast. So, 5 o'clock up, 4 o'clock up there, I should say, at 7 o'clock. So, anyways, 6% chance of showers beginning late this evening and overnight. The winds start off light near midnight. This forecast instead. Well, instead now. And then the winds start kicking up out of south of 40k, becoming northwest, gusting to 50 in the afternoon. That sounds like a wind that could easily happen. Northwest winds, like northerly winds, anything on the north always bangs on. Always happens, so we'll see. But that's going for us. 1 degrees Friday night, but the showers are refined to only early in the evening, so don't have to worry about any of that rain and snow potential or anything. And then Saturday night, still rain. What? No. Yeah, still rain. And then Sunday, 6% chance of showers. And then everything else here is still the same. 30% chance of showers from Monday night to Tuesday night. It's just showers, despite the cold temperatures. But yeah. So there's that. And then the weather network. Theirs hasn't changed too much either. Although I do think they've added a rain and snow potential. An extra day, an extra night's worth of rain snow potential. Yeah, so still decent rainfall for tomorrow, close to 5. Still plenty of rainfall for Saturday, 10 to 15. And I think they've added a rain and snow potential for I think they've overall just changed everything here. I can't solidly remember, but I'm pretty sure they've added rain and snow potential for Sunday night. Beyond that, I'm not too sure. I don't think they've changed much else. I don't want to say that, but I think they have. But one way or another, good bit of rain from Friday to Sunday. Wait, no, yeah, they haven't changed this, sorry. I remember now. They haven't changed this. So a decent bit of rainfall Friday to Sunday, and then good chunk of snow potential from Sunday to Wednesday. And then after that we dry out a bit, but we stay relatively cool. They've added that though, but yeah. It's definitely going to feel like more of a late November vibe with these 4 or 5 degree temps than October. But yeah, there you guys go though. Welcome to the new video. I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, so here's the 4 o'clock update. So as you saw, the winds kind of actually pretty decently at the airport. 63k out of the north. That's pretty solid stuff. Got up to 67 at one point, but 4 kilometer difference. I'm not going to really go into in depth and show that as well. But 63k, pretty decent. 40% chance of showers still, obviously, tonight. Snow levels dropping down to 1,700 meters near midnight. 50k becoming light this evening. Shoved up to the 60, honestly. Although Saturday night is looking like the night we can have some chances, maybe some mixing, if things go right. 2 degrees, 30% chance of showers overnight, with snow levels lowering down to 900 meters before morning. +2. And then Sunday, pretty cold, 30% chance of showers, and I think everything beyond that still the same, rain, and then consistent 6% chance of showers from Tuesday onward. That's all the same. And then radar, before that gets fucked. Yeah. About what, yeah, was the Euro was saying. Much of the stronger winds hanging up in the higher terrain, although with decent precipitation down here, potentially snow up there. Yeah. I spent too much time with that. One more. Yeah. And then the weather network, pretty basic as well. Yeah, but everything's the same. be on, I think, Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, Monday. Close to 5 millimeters of rain for the weekend here. For Saturday, Sunday, so totaling up to about 10 to 15 millimeters of rainfall. And then everything else beyond that still the same. So, pretty persistent with the precipitation here right up until the end of next week. Maybe with some snow potential, but I don't know. I don't buy it, but it looks like the potential for it, but yeah. I'm not setting too high hopes for this potential. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys maybe later on today, if not in the morning. Alrighty, here is this morning's forecast update. A little bit late on it, slept in, so we're doing it quite late on in the day. Well, so it's not morning. Well, it's still a morning update because all of this is from the morning. Anyways, though, tonight we got ourselves some rain beginning late this evening, with wet snow over higher terrain. Snow levels getting pretty low. I sit at around 400 meters compared to 350 at downtown. So I have a little bit more potential. Only 300-meter difference. Might see maybe a few flakes mixed down if things get cold enough, but we'll see. But then Sunday, rain ending in the morning, then a 40% chance of showers. 7 meters rising to 1400 in the afternoon. Wet snow over high terrain still. And then Monday here, straight up periods of rain. Tuesday, 6% chance of showers. Oh, I should also mention how cold it's going to be for today and Sunday. I mean, it's already at 8 degrees though, so. But then this is where it starts getting interesting. So, there you go. Wednesday is pretty cold as well. 3 degrees, 6% chance of showers Wednesday night. Thursday, periods of rain. Wait for it. Thursday night, periods of rain or snow. And then Friday, 6% chance of flurries or rain showers. We're already getting on that train, and it's only October. That is a sign La Nina is really kicking into gear here. So we got that Arctic air that will be swishing down from the south, from the north. Well, Arctic air for this time of year anyways. That'll penetrate the area and drop things down. And a cold front with it as well. One way or another. We got snow possible. Probably one of the earliest forecasts for snow in a few years. So as that is Thursday, so that's Thursday, Friday. I can't be bothered. We'll see on here. Thursday, Friday was that. That's 22nd, 23rd. Not far off. Beyond this, just a show. Not really much. Warms up though pretty decently, so that's nice. Don't mind a little warm stretch after this cold shit. Anyways, though, just focusing on this specifically. Decent bits of rainfall between the Sunday to Wednesday period. Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday specifically. Tuesday's kind of meh. But then there's your Thursday, Friday thing. Even Environment Canada has the weather has some agreements going on with it. 40% chance of flurries overnight, as you can see there for Thursday. And then Friday, a mixture, 70%. So it's not far-fetched, and it's pretty cold Saturday there as well. Look at that, 4 and -2. That's essentially like February, like late February weather there. But yeah, interesting stuff. We're gonna be monitoring this. I'm gonna check things out. Haven't really checked anything, obviously. So yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys actually with a little rainfall total update in just a little bit here. No way.
There is snow mixing down to the fucking surface. What the fuck? You won't play guess why? Temperatures got a lot colder than forecasted. Oh my god. It is fucking snowing. This is the earliest snowfall I've ever had. Oh my lord. My god, I had to rush out here to believe it. But somehow, some way, snow is mixed down to the surface. Unreal. Snow. Oh, Jesus, got stuck. Snow is mixed down to the surface. It's really wet stuff, but it's coming down. Unreal. And to believe it's snowing now, I can only fucking imagine later on this week when it's even colder. That has to be the easiest fucking shit to get now. October something. I don't even know what day it is, man. I think it's a Sunday. I think it's October 17th. Yeah. We're gonna go with that. October 17th or 18th. 18th. Yeah. 18th. Yeah. No. 18th. 2020. I think the last time I saw an October snowfall was like way back. Like that takes me back, man. Last time I saw one of these. It was a lot heavier than this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Snow levels got way beyond 700 meters here. Jesus. Well, my forecast. Well, I did say snow levels could get down as low as valley bottoms for some. Although I did mention it mainly in the eastern BC sector. But I guess it proves otherwise here. It's mainly rain now. It's the wettest snow ever. But it's snow. It's like sleet. Unreal though. It doesn't matter. A snowfall is a snowfall. And it's been snowing. Somehow got down to 1 degree last night. But it still is steady at 1. Somehow managed to get down to 1 fucking degree. Unreal. This is insane. I think it's almost mixed out now. I think it could be because it's lighter now. precipitation starts lighter now. But wow. Well, we're counting it. October 18th marks our first snowfall of the year. One of the earliest I've ever seen in years. I would never have imagined snowfall levels would have gone down this low here, but go figure. Although now my rainfall accumulation is a little bit tattered because it's been tempered by some snowfall. And obviously, snowflakes are quite huge. But I mean, luckily it's wet snow, so I mean, it wasn't pure snow. Pure straight snow, so. But yeah, snowfall levels got right down. They got dropped. Like, I mean, I got a free day today. Well, free until this evening. God, I'm tempted to bike up there, man. Because so I'm at 400 meters. That snow there, that's like 600. That's like not even like 500 even. That is low. But now, yeah, it's mixed mainly through now. It's too light. If it was heavy again, it'd be going. But I don't know if I missed much of it. But I think I might have. But it's wet snow. It's not like the most impressive first snowfall of the year. I'm damn sure, but I think biking up there, I don't think I'd make it all the way up there. But I know up there. I have driven up there. So, yeah. But winter is knocking on the door quite early. That is scary. Jesus Christ. Like our first bout of snow is literally the first. I've never even seen snow in the mountains. And now our first snowfall has happened. So I've gotten the whole thing in a day. In one morning. Snow in the mountains and down to the valley bottom. Unreal. This is not right. Oh Lord, that's amazing. It's the weakest first snowfall, but it's what it says. The first snowfall. This is insane. Our first snowfall of the year. It's October fucking 18th. Still leaves on the fucking, the leaves on the tree. Our tree still has all its leaves. It's not even lost any. The only leaves it's lost is from wind. This is ridiculous. Now that we have this, now I'm curious to see what later this week has. I haven't seen the forecast. I will straight up say, I haven't seen anything. I've just blasted. I just woke up, looked out the window, and bang, I rushed out here. Got me going for the day. Just needed this shot of energy. This is amazing. Like I said, it's mainly done now. We need heavier precipitation for it to occur again. So that's kind of the premise of this, but obviously we got decent precipitation last night, as you can tell here. Who knows how long it's going for, because it's been pretty steady, but I mean, it's 1 degree, so how it could have started like 5 minutes ago. Definitely cold enough. My hands are freezing now. Well, snow levels are when it's just, it could be wet snow. But snow levels are where it's below it, it's just straight rain. Above it, there's some snow mixed in. And so, snow levels got down straight to the bottoms here. Not much else to say. We got it, boys. It mixed in, it came down, we got it. October 18th, first fucking snowfall of the year. No. Well, first, how do I, yeah, I guess first snowfall of the year. Like, first, we haven't had our first accumulated snowfall of the year, but we've had our first, no, here we go. First flakes of the year. First flakes of the year, there we go. We got our first flakes of the year. Hell. Still seeing fucking flakes mixing in, it's so light. But yeah, maybe we'll get another bout of precipitation for this warmer air arrives. So once again, I haven't checked the radar, so maybe that'll happen. I'm gonna go inside now. I'll get a couple photos of this, and I'll see you guys with the forecast. Well, actually, no, I'll see you guys back out here in just a little bit.
Wow, that just happened. Anyways, though, here's the forecast for this morning here. So looking at this big chunk here from today till Tuesday night. We got rain ending this morning, then there's a 40% chance of showers the rest of the day. 40% chance of showers this evening. 30% tomorrow, and quite a bit warmer, 13 degrees. So snow levels probably be way up there. But although, once again, Monday night getting down to 3 degrees, periods of rain. That's playing it close again. Tuesday, 40% chance of showers in the day, and then 60% at night, and 2 degrees. Playing it close. And then just going day by day. It's nothing new, but I'm just going day by day kind of thing. Wednesday's going to be quite cold with temperatures getting down to -3, getting our first frost maybe. Oh yeah, I should mention, we've got our first snowfall before our first frost. Go figure. And then Thursday here, pretty cold once again. 6% chance of rain showers or flurries overnight. During the night, Thursday there, 0 degrees. And then Friday looks like a big daddy here. Flurries or rain showers Friday, with changing to periods of rain or snow Friday night. Presumably snow, but, well, not but it's -2, so you would expect snow. And then Saturday's looking pretty cold again as well. But this doesn't show the nighttime because it's beyond the period. But yeah, and you may be questioning why it snowed. Well, not two theories, but two very likely possibilities. One, pretty decent rates in combo with the temperatures that got down to about 1.4 degrees here. They got down pretty cold. And then secondly, temperatures at the 850 millibar, which is, I believe, about 1,500 meters, got down to about 0 to 1 degree. Which then, if it's down to 1 degree here, so pretty unified temperature drop, pretty unified temperature change between the 850 and Valley Bottom, that'd be very suitable for some wet snow coming down here. If it was like, let's say, 3 degrees here and 1 degree up there, I probably wouldn't be saying we've just gotten snow. But, yeah. And then the weather's forecast here is pretty much same idea in terms of precipitation days and all that, but obviously obviously not exactly the same. Well, yeah. So here it is, focusing on just this period here, because that's all that's, as you can tell, just showing beyond it, nothing much. Well, cold conditions, but that's it. Not in big importance. So, little bits of decent rainfall here, as you can tell, Monday to Wednesday. Pretty identical to Environment Canada, just not mentioning, Environment Canada not mentioning rainfall total specifically. Friday, rain and snow. It's almost like the same as Environment Canada, just seems like on the lighter end of the spectrum. And then later on, next week, maybe get another shot some snow, but mainly rain here, as you can see from Monday, 26th. Close to 5 millimeters, but hey, still snow. But yeah, first snowfall of the year. And it comes before our fucking first frost of the, well, not first snowfall of the year, but the earliest snowfall of the year. And first early snowfall of the year. Of the season. There we go. First snowfall of the season. There we go. Before our first frost of the season. That's quite interesting. And then to finish it off here, showing the temperatures. My point, they got down to probably the coldest it's been in quite a while. 1 degree, as you can see there, but not 1 degrees. It got down to about 1.4, so essentially you could consider it 1 degree. But how if it gets to 4.9, it considers it 4 degrees. It's not. It doesn't show the decimal with it as well. High, low with the decimal as well. But anyways, there you guys go. Still 2 degrees. I will see you guys later on today. Alright, we're out now. It's about 4.6 degrees. Snow levels have risen quite a bit. Checking rainfall. So it's still valid. It's not, well, it's valid to the extent that it's not like completely tampered by snow because it wasn't heavy enough, but I mean, there is some contamination of snow, so like now you'd have to really change the measurement much, maybe lower down to about 1/2 inch, but yeah. But yeah, let's just go with about 0.05 inches of rainfall. 0.05, yeah. 0.55 inches of rainfall. It's not bad. Getting up there. But yeah. Jesus. Alrighty, so here's this morning's forecast update here. So we got a few showers beginning this afternoon and tonight, beginning this afternoon, then ending late this evening. The 40% chance of showers tonight. 6% chance of showers Tuesday night. Cools down quite a bit Wednesday, as you can see there still. -3 low. Jesus. Today's gonna be the warmest day for the next little while. And then we got this here. Thursday night to Friday night. Still 6% chance of rain showers or flurries, and then flurries and rain showers and periods of rain or snow. Saturday is looking pretty cold as well, 5 degrees, but with a low of -6. It's pretty chilly. Then the weather is forecast, and this is very fucking interesting actually. I took a little bit overboard, but yeah. Tomorrow, decent rainfall, close to 5 millimeters, and then rain and snow Wednesday night. Snow Thursday. Snow Friday. Snow Sunday night. Mainly snow Monday. And then I'll essentially say mixture Tuesday. 27th. And then beyond that, there's nothing else you can go. And fucking cold as well, like winter temperatures, as you can see for this like period here. 3 degree down to 1 degree, and then obviously those lows getting down to -6, which is in agreement with Environment Canada. But yeah, that's quite interesting. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today. See ya then. Oh shit. Something's happening. Really low clouds. Well, it's almost over us. Not really been seeing any significant wind improvement. Well, increase. If anything's actually above us now. Yeah, it's pretty shambolic. It's cool to watch though. Watching some linear showers move in. I check the time. Calling it off here soon. There's these random gusts, but at this point there, I'm hearing them and they're pretty good sounding. Ooh, here we go. Whoa! Look at that. That's literally the wind tunnel effect there. Whoa! Fucking hell! Whoa! There we go. We're waking up. It's waking up here. Holy shit. There we go. That was something. Well, I don't want to go too soon, for fuck's sake. There we go. Oh yeah, she's going now. Whoa! Now it's raining. Jeez. Honestly, just want to go in. This is that sucks. It's just I'm going to get soaked. Oh, jeez. We're going to take a hiding spot here. Oh, jeez. Ugh. So, this is the rainfall total since Friday afternoon. 0.6 inches. I mean, most of it happened Friday and Saturday, but then I just left it out a bit Sunday, Monday. There was a little bit drizzle here and there during that.
And then we got that little bit of rain last night, so tallied up just an extra 0.1 inches between that Sunday, Monday period. But yeah, we know. Whatever. I've forgotten. Yeah. Oh no, Sunday was the day they got decent rainfall, sorry. Between Friday afternoon and Saturday. And then Sunday. And then a little bit yesterday, Monday, I think. Whatever. There you guys go though. 0.6 inches. I'll see you guys a little bit later on today.
Alrighty, so here is the forecast. 4 o'clock forecast, and not much has changed. They've been pretty persistent with this forecast the past couple days. Still, everything's the same with Thursday night to Friday night there. Really, nothing's changed, honestly. I think, although it's now 30% chance of showers, changing to 70% chance of showers near midnight now instead of this evening, I think. I think that's what's changed. But still, snow level dropping to 800 meters, which is quite fucking low. So we could see snow get quite low again. But the timing of it shouldn't be really nice to me. 2 degrees. Yeah, 5 a.m. I wouldn't be able to see it. I'm not going to get up early for it. But whatever. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys in the morning.
Again, a line of showers has moved in. What the fuck? What are the chances? Whoa. Definitely more potent than the last one. What are the chances to get 2 lines of showers? Gusty winds in a row. What are the fucking chances? You can tell I was not prepared for this. What is this? Yo! What the hell is this? Is it hailing? It's hailing or something. Whoa! What the hell is this? I've never seen this before. Is this... What is going on? Get the hood on. Look! Is that? It's gotta be something oh my god. It's snowing. It's fucking snowing. It's... Oh my god, I think it's snowing. Oh my god. I don't know what's happening. Whoa. What is happening? This is random. Look. Nope. That's what you think it is. I think that's an ice pellet sleet hybrid here. Ice pellet hail. Wow. Look at this. I don't know what this is. Is it feels like hail. Look at this. How? Look at this. So that's become some kind of wintry precipitation hail hybrid. What the fuck has happened? Oh shit. This is some wintry. What's that? I was not expecting this precipitation, or any for that matter. Listen to that. What the hell was that? Nope, that has to be like some ice pellet hail hybrid. I don't know what just came through. I am genuinely in shock. It's like 3 degrees out, so... Uh-oh. No. We just got some weird... Oh shit, here we go. Oh no, that's just the wind knocking shit down. I don't know what happened. I am confused. The best guess I could give, because this wasn't strong by any means. The air is so cold high up. There's just like even the smallest bit of instability and a shit ton of shear. That was enough to get like almost like a hail ice pelt hybrid. Because that is some soft ass hail. Yep, there we go. Just ate it up there. But yeah. But look how it clumps. I mean, I've never clumped hail, but I am so cold now. Oh my god, and wet. We just got the weirdest thing ever. So we missed some gusty winds, but at least we got some weird hail hybrid. Because, wow. I flipped on a dime. I came out here for wind, not for hail. And what'd you know? That was the weirdest thing ever. Two nights in a row of random fucking 2 nights in a row of random linear, I guess, convection. Yesterday was a bit of a bust. It was just linear showers with some gusty winds. This one was packed a punch. Decent winds. Hail. Some hail hybrid, I would guess. Because that's so soft for hail. It's hard to believe that is hail. And how cold it is. That doesn't seem like it would be straight up hail. Unreal. I don't know what just happened. I'll show you guys the radar because I actually checked the weather because I was going to go take a shower. Screw that. Wow. That was not expected. I was not expecting that. I was expecting something linear, but nothing like this. Wow. Goes to show, don't need anything significant synoptic-wise to really get anything kicking other than decent cheer. Even the slightest bit of cape. Really cold temps both surface and aloft. And some kind of forcing. And in this instance it was a deepening, or ejecting upper trough out of the north. Now, as you can tell, it's raining. That was weird. I'll show you guys the right. There's some lightning. I didn't hear any thunder, but come with me. There's the radar here. It's almost like because it's absolute convection, because look at that. See there. There you guys go. I'll see you guys with the temperature in just a little bit. So here's the
temperature. It got down to 2.3 initially, but has risen just slightly a bit higher to the essentially 3 degrees. Not done for the night. I forgot to show you guys the winds we got while at the airport, so I'll be showing you guys that. Then we'll be ending it off for the night. So see you guys in just a few. There you go. So it doesn't show up on the hourly, but this is the winds here that we got. So at 11 to midnight here, got up to a max wind speed of, well, wind gust of 63 kilometers an hour, which isn't too bad. It's pretty gusty, based off the fact those buckets fell. And I mean, that doesn't take much, but with how our area is, it's quite rough in terms of all the objects and around the houses, trees, etc. So yeah, but yeah, still we got some pretty decent gusts. Nothing too insane, but definitely looked like it was more consistent, a lot more persistent wind gusts, I should say. Sorry, compared to yesterday, where it was kind of like one decent gust and like 5 minutes later one more, as this was more so like until it passed through. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys in the morning. Plenty of crap in the wind. It's like crap. It's like nothing. Look at all of it though. This is over the course of the 2 wind events we've gotten. Now mind you, this shit's really weak. This shit's like weaker than anything. So it'd take like nothing for this shit to fall. For that shit to fall. But that's about all I saw. And just a bunch of leaves. I will see you guys right around today. Alright. Here we go. So we got a special weather statement in place for, you would guess, the abnormally cold temperatures and snow that is possible beginning later this week, in a couple days, not even. Conveniently have a day off Fridays, so we're free. We get to watch this first actual snowfall of the year happen. So we got snow beginning overnight tomorrow, and then continuing into Friday with some snow, and then 40% chance Friday night. We still got those cold temperatures for Saturday and Sunday there. Everything's still the same there. But the only thing that's changed, I believe that has gone down from a 70 to a 40% chance, and that has changed from periods of snow to snow beginning overnight. Yeah. And then, obviously we gotta check the special weather statement here. So, more early season snowfall expected Friday. Below seasonal temperatures continue through the weekend. Arctic air will advance southward to BC interior, and then the Arctic front will reach the Kamloops region by Friday afternoon. With a somewhat, I'd say a pretty cool air mass already in place. Widespread snow expected for essentially much of the interior. And then snow may become mixed with rain over southern and eastern portions of the area. We're in the southern portion, but we have snow, so I don't think it's going to be rain for us. Mind you, I don't think it's going to be rain for many, except for the more, honestly, I would think the more western portions, but It's currently forecast snowfall amounts from 2 to 10 centimeters. I think we would meet in the middle of that, like, I think we'll get about 3 to 5 centimeters. Like, I definitely could see about a couple inches of snow at least. And then temperatures will stay at least 10 degrees below seasonal normals through the weekend. Yeah. I will be ending this video tomorrow afternoon. And yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys in the morning. Well, just to end off the night here. For the first time this season, we have gotten down to below freezing here. It is currently a -1 at the airport here, and -1.5 here, and still dropping. I highly expect some decent frost in the morning, and yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys in the morning. Alrighty, here is the forecast. So, still got snow beginning overnight. Decently low temperatures. Decent low down to -4, but then tomorrow there's that snow, but then becoming mixed with rain in the afternoon. Still get about 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. That's pretty hefty for fucking October. And then still 40% chance of flurries afterwards. And Saturday, Sunday, pretty cool. Yeah, I mean pretty cold. Low down to -9 Saturday night, and highs barely getting above freezing. Not even Sunday. Not even for Sunday. But then you can see a slow, gradual warm up in Monday there, as you can see, with a low of 0. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, we get shoots right up to 9-10 degrees. As I would assume a more west-southwesterly flow sets up. That's my guess, anyways. Yeah. And the special weather statement is not much different compared to this afternoon. Although, what this afternoon? Sorry. Earlier yesterday. But now instead of 2 to 10, now it's 5 to 15. Forecast snowfall amounts may range from about 5 to 15 centimeters. Everything else is still about the same. They've just changed the wording for some event. Yeah. Top it off here. Got down to about -3 last night. Currently about -2. Still cooling down even. There you guys go though. See you guys in the next video. Peace.